what's gonna happen. Yeah.
Okay. That's it there.
Yeah, I got it.
Push my caboose in there.
Oh, you got.
I'm trying to drag it up. Maybe some of these people you don't.
It's a game. It's a lot. It's a lot of fun to figure out. Yeah, pop that in there. Bring these two back over here. This one goes down and
You fixing to... Dang, I can't even talk. Fixing to run.
I think we broke something.
Yeah, it just pops on.
Quit breaking things.
We didn't, Johnny. We
Oh,
didn't.
you heard Johnny.
Uh-oh.
Look at this. You hit so hard your load shift half a car.
I don't think so. But we could try.
That's right.
Go
Johnny,
ahead. You got it.
Johnny, what the heck are you saying?
That'll shove
Question
these
mark.
away, you know.
Perfect. That's all I need. There you go. Now flip it and get
Johnny's
it.
talking mad smack back there.
Turn you into a human work of art.
Oh, there's 2819. I see it in the middle of that cut.
You need that one too?
I do. No worries.
How are you guys? Doing good?
Doing good.
Wow.
Better than we deserve.
Looks like Johnny's putting in the hours.
Oh.
Yeah, so I've got to draw that off here, and then grab this and this. There, I've got to shove those in. Got to make it work somehow.
You got this fair crack.
Yeah, I'm going to use that. It's just a matter of getting the air around, shove it back.
You'll figure it out.
The last one was, yeah.
I've got somewhat of a plan. See if it works or not.
You know what I'm talking about, Johnny?
I know you'll make it work. Are we having fun yet?
We are. We're having a good time. I put your bridge back up for you.
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
You can tell it hurts. It's not the first time or the last. So.
Signal.
You go over to see Johnny needs any help with it.
Distributing the
Tell
weight.
you what, man.
Right there?
Lopsided.
It's a lot of work to this. I don't mean like, yeah.
So the ones
Okay.
that I don't worry.
Well,
I do it after. They throw them down when we
so
stop.
that's the other thing. I didn't know if there were indications I should write on there, you know, kind of thing.
Yeah, just. You don't have to, but I'll look when it's. Is this in your way?
I don't know where it came from.
He brought it so you can stand up here. I know where it came from. I have a spot for it, but I don't want you banging your feet on it.